If you want to print recharge cards using just your Android device and the Bluetooth printer, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to print recharge cards step by step without using a laptop. Let's get started. First, open your internet browser. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using the Google Chrome browser. Then in the address bar, type in this URL. This is the address bar. Type in this URL, sobbypoint.com. Okay, so as you can see, we are on the landing page of the platform. Click on sign up, because as a new user, you're going to have to first register on the platform before you can then log in. Okay, so fill in the required fields and then click on sign up. But I already have an account with them, so I'm simply going to log in. Okay, so after you have registered and then logged in on the platform, you have to fund your wallet. You have to fund your wallet with at least 100 naira. You have to fund your wallet with at least 100 naira. After you have registered and logged in, you're going to have to wait a few seconds for these bank accounts to be generated for you. The use of these bank accounts is simple. These are the bank accounts you are to pay money to each time you want to fund your wallet on the platform. Simply make a payment of any amount to any of these bank accounts you are seeing here, and they will reflect instantly on your wallet. And the best part is that there is no charge on them. There is 0 naira charge on this bank account. So after you have registered and logged in, simply wait a few seconds for these bank accounts to be generated. Another thing is that these bank accounts are not for one use only, meaning that you can keep paying money to them at any time and on any day. They are not for one use only. You can pay money to them today, pay money into them tomorrow, pay money to them any other day. They are not for one use only. And as you can see, they are going to have your name on it, which that is enough proof that they are not for one use only. They have your name on it, so they now belong to you. They now belong to you. Any money you send to them will reflect on your wallet on the platform instantly. So after you have funded your wallet with at least 100 naira, click on the recharge card icon here. Click on it, then select the network you want to print for. I'm going to go with MTN. Then select the denomination you want to print. You can choose to print 100 naira, 200 naira, or 500 naira. I'm going to go with 100 naira here. Then enter the quantity you want to print. I'm going to go with 1. Then you can enter the name you want to appear on the card. Maybe you want to brand the card as your own. Maybe you can put your business name on it. For this, I'm going to type in sobbypoint.com. After you have done this, simply click on the proceed button and then click on the OK button, and you are good to go. You can see there is a confirmation here. It says you're about to generate one MTN 100 naira recharge card for 95 naira only. As you can see, they gave us a discount of 95 naira. So simply click on the OK button and you are good to go, provided that you have at least 100 naira in your balance. So that is how easy it is to print recharge cards with your Android device in 2025-2026. If you have any questions, simply drop them in the comment section and I'm going to do my best to answer them.